everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're having a great day. So today I'm going to be opening my July Glossybox. So it comes in like this outer packaging and it has this classic pink box inside. I have no idea what's coming in it this month. This is actually my third month. I purchased a 3-month plan. There is a great deal going on. So Glossybox is normally $21 per month. You can get some cash back. Last month I talked about the Go Cashback app, or the extension for your browser. You can definitely get a lot of money back if you do purchase this, as well as like a specific specified amount back if you get like a 3, 6, or 12-month plan. So I always leave that link in my description box, but I'll leave it down below. I know a lot of people saved some money last month using that, so that is great. And I kind of did the same thing when I signed up 3 months ago. So yeah, I'm about to be charged again. So I need your opinion whether or not you want to see this box continued on my channel or not. Definitely let me know after watching this unboxing if you would like me to continue, if you think this box is worth it, because your opinion really does matter to me. I want to show you guys what you want to see. And I just love hearing your opinion anyways. So if you do not know, Glossybox is a beauty subscription. There's not like too much makeup. It seems to be like more skincare, and it seems to be a lot more like deluxe size items compared to full size. There were some full size last time, so I'm gonna open up this box and see if we think it is worth $21. So let's get unboxing. It's been storming pretty bad here. My power went out for a minute and then my Wi-Fi wasn't working. I was like, what am I going to do? Like, I'm like so dependent on the internet. I'm like, well, I can still film and stuff, and hopefully it will be up by the time I'm done and can upload this video, but we'll see. So this is what it looks like. And obviously the power is back on, or else I wouldn't have lighting. I wouldn't be able to even film, but the internet is acting up. So everything is wrapped in this cute little bow. Let's get this open. And here is the little card for the month. It like folds out like this. So, well, first off, it says, coming soon. Guess what? It's our birthday, so grab the cake, get the glitter, and pick your favorite Get Ready With Me playlist, because next month is a celebration blowout. For us, next month is going to be extra, to be sparkling, and most importantly, to be glossy. So I guess there's going to be like a special. It says each present inside will be our #1 fave, just for you to be the icing on the cake for a fabulous August. So they're making it seem like next month is going to be extra special. So that might be a reason to stick around. I don't know. We'll see. But for this month it says Sun's Out Glossies. Sun-kissed skin, white sand beaches, and cool drinks by the pool are at the top of our vacation wish list this summer. As we prepare to travel abroad, stay at home and relax, or get away for the weekend, we want to pamper, indulge, and embrace the slower pace of summer, which is why we love our theme, Summer Oasis. This month, Glossybox is embracing summer with products that will make you feel cool and refreshed, just like you stepped out of the pool. And then it shows you all the items and talks a little bit more about them. So I will leave this to the side to reference. I'm trying not to peek too much. And then the rest of the box is underneath this tissue paper. So let's see what is in there. And I'll just grab the first thing I see. This is by True and Luscious. I don't think I know this brand, you guys. Camera Powder Invisible Setting Powder. And I love it. I can see already on the back that it's vegan, cruelty-free, safety tested. Safety tested, that's kind of a new symbol for me, but a good one to see for sure. So camera powder, it says inspired by Hollywood makeup artist, a multitasking invisible setting powder that perfectly sets makeup for long-lasting results. Suitable for all skin types and skin tones, the lightweight and ultra-fine formula creates a soft focus effect, diminishing fine lines, pores, and imperfections to create a radiant complexion. So it says directions: apply over foundation or concealer with a puff or powder brush. For very oily skin, apply before and after your foundation. I have heard that before. And then it says for best results, use with Luscious camera sticks. So they must have like a foundation stick, I'm assuming. So let's see what this looks like. I think that's great that it can work for all skin tones, hopefully, if that's correct. This is universal on here. I'm just gonna like rip open this box. And this seems like it'd be full size. Let's see if there's pricing on here. Oh wow. So it says we do get the full size, and it is $29. So that's more than the box. So that's great. So here is what the outer packaging looks like. And there is the product. So it looks white, but let's see. Yeah, when I rub it onto my skin, that white fades a little bit. I feel like I could still see like one little speck. Okay, yeah, you blend it in, it fades away. So I'm definitely excited to try this out. Let's see if they give any more information. It says, if you want to use a lot of product to get full coverage, opt for a makeup sponge. If you have oily skin, opt for a powder puff for velvety finish. So they give tips for all of these. That's awesome. So I think it's great. I'm actually really excited to try this, and I love that we got a makeup item. So far so good. What is this? This is called After Spa Amazing Makeup Remover. Reusable, you only need water. So this looks like it's very similar to the makeup eraser. Let's see. Wipes away makeup with just water. Yeah, same thing. And they say to machine wash it before your first use so it functions properly. That's interesting. So this is $5. I can't remember how much the makeup eraser is. Someone told me that you can get a free sample of that on their website, which is super cool. I recently just got some makeup erasers in Birchbox. Was that just last month? I think so. But this reminds me so much of it. Oh my god, it's so soft. This is great. Oh my god. You can see like little fibers kind of coming off it. That's probably why they say to wash it. So yeah, it's like the same color as a makeup eraser. It feels so soft. Does a makeup eraser ones feel like this? It's like so nice. But okay, cool. It says, want to say goodbye to makeup wipes? Yeah, actually I do. I want to start cutting back on my use of those. Then After Spa will be your new eco-friendly best friend with the amazing makeup remover. Removing up to 100% of the most difficult makeup with the help of its extra soft texture remover. All you need is water. Goodbye, full face, and hello, soft, dewy, clean skin. It says, take advantage of steam. Fill up your sink or bowl with hot water and hover your face over it for a minute or two. The steam will help open up your pores and make it easier to remove makeup and debris. I think I'm gonna do like a little test to see like what the difference is between this and the makeup eraser and see like what's better. Is that something you guys would be interested in? I can either tell you the results or maybe do it on camera or something, like maybe remove half my face with one and the other. But yeah, let me know if that's something you care to see. Next up is by Leighton Denny. This is Miracle Mist Speed Drying Spray for nail polish. Oh, that's cool. I did not expect that. I was thinking when I saw mist, like, oh, another facial spray, because we get those all the time, it seems like. I get my nails, I get dip manicures, but I do paint my toenails, so I could use it for that, because I always seem to mess them up. I think this is going to be full size. So this is cool. I'm excited to put this to the test. This is $14. It says, got the perfect polish, but not the time. This number is your secret weapon for an effortless manicure in a pinch. Don't worry, this mist is non-sticky and will dry your nails in seconds. What? Say goodbye to long wait times and hello to freshly manicured hand selfies. That's crazy if it really dries in seconds. Has anyone tried something like this? If it really works, maybe I will start doing my own nails in the future. Maybe not. I love how these last so long. But it says, make sure to not touch anything for at least a few minutes after you spray. Perfection takes a little less time. Okay, so maybe it's more like minutes than seconds, but still, like sometimes I would do my nails and I like would touch something like over half hour later and they'd still be ruined. So that's cool. That's a unique thing too. I don't have that. Next up is something we've gotten this brand before, Ariza Beauty. Ariza, is that how you say it? What is this? Is this like a lipstick? It says Lido on it. Wow, you guys, oops, it's kind of smushed. That's okay. See, like the top of it kind of like hit the cap, but this is a full-size lipstick, right? I like this box better than the last two. I feel like that always happens when it comes down to like deciding whether or not to continue something. But anyways, so this is $22.50, 100% cruelty-free. This luxurious lipstick from Oriza's The Velvet Ribbon Collection gives nothing but long-lasting color and satin finish. With their glide-on formula, your lips will feel weightless, nourished, and protected thanks to their patented Oriza Sativa core ingredient with the help of shea butter and pomegranate. I'm gonna give a tip. So this looks like a color I could wear all the time. Let me put that down. I don't want to break it. It's pretty, right? I'm loving that we're getting like some makeup and the different things in here. So far so good, and the value is really up there this month. And like full-size things. Oh look, I think we did get a facial mist too. This is by Jerlique. This is Rosewater Balancing Mist. This is the outer packaging. Is this the full size? This is the full size, it's 15 mLs. Yeah, this is a full size. Okay, you guys, this is at $69 for a facial mist. $69. And it says it's a #1 global bestseller. This mist will bring your inner glow to the surface as it hydrates, shields, and balances your skin's pH levels. Plus, the fragrance will leave you feeling rosy and is a perfect way to freshen up in between or after makeup. $69 for a facial mist? And it's not even huge. 15 mLs isn't that big. Like, is that right? That's crazy. Let's see what the mist is like. I feel like I shouldn't even waste a spray. Oh, it does seem like it's a nice mist, so let's put it to the test. It does feel nice. It smells like rose, but not like too artificial, you know how it sometimes does. This is after toner, spritz a bit of mist to relax and rejuvenate. You can also mist on a bare face day to have that instant dewy glow. Let's see. Let me grab my little mirror. Nice. The mist is really nice. It doesn't like show any big like blots on my skin. Like I can see a little wetness there, but you know what? Sometimes when you spray something on your face, you can like see droplets and stuff like that. So this is fine over makeup. I can still smell it. Let's try this lipstick while we're at it. I have some stuff on now, but we'll just put it over my gloss. That's how I roll here. Maybe I'll take it off. Let's see. Alright, let's see what this looks like on the lips. After the whole like Jaclyn Cosmetics thing, I'm now like inspecting things. Like I never normally would like really look at a lipstick, but all good here. There's no animal hair or anything like that. I like it. Do you guys like it? I think this is a pretty color. I'm happy with this. Awesome. So you guys, I think everything was full size. Let's see. Yeah, this, I was just checking the milliliter and everything. We got a full size box. We got more makeup items and skincare. Like, it's everything I wanted. Let me add up the total because this is like pretty great value, right? So the total retail value is $139.50. And again, this retail cost is $21 if you pay full price. But again, you get cash back as well as possibly a promo code. I'll leave all the information down below, but you can definitely get some cash back. And I think this month was my favorite month so far. I think I want to keep it, but you guys have to let me know your thoughts down below. I'm really liking this lip color, I think. I think it's crazy that that facial mist is $69, but even if you take that out of the equation, the value is still up there. I'm really excited to try all of this stuff. I will use all of this stuff. So yeah, you guys have to let me know your thoughts down below. Let me know if you think I should keep this box. Is it worth it? I mean, the fact that I really like this one, they say that August is going to be extra special because it's their birthday month. I'm leaning towards yes, but I really want to know your opinion, so leave them down below. Anyways, I hope you guys are having an amazing night. I will see you in my next video. Bye!